Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm so excited to show you guys this Canaan tree cork wallpaper. So I'm going to do a little unboxing with you and give you a close-up look at this product. Before we get into it, I wanted to just show you the box because the box is really fascinating. You've obviously got like your brand and product information here, but below that and on pretty much all the sides is information about the brand and kind of their story and where the product comes from. And then you do have some really easy to follow instructions and even some tips. This is the Style Core Leader. This is a very unique wallpaper. I am so excited. So inside you do get a little sample pack of some of their other cork wallpapers. So you have this one here. And this is the Core Leader one that I'm going to show you today. It's so beautiful, very rich and super soft. And then you have this deeper option with the gold foil. You have this wood grain one, and then this one's really fascinating as well. The roll itself arrives really nice. There's no damage or peeled up corners, no tears, so it looks great. They've got a little Velcro strap here keeping it together. And then this little white paper here are actually the test results from their formaldehyde test. So this does show that the item tested free of formaldehyde, so that's something you don't have to worry about with this product. And there's like almost no smell to it at all, like not even an adhesive smell, no chemical smells or anything. And wow, this is beautiful. And a fascinating tidbit about this particular wallpaper that they produce, they actually can only use about 0.1% of the cork that they harvest to create this because the others don't meet the requirements. This is so smooth and soft. It has almost a leather-like feel to it. And I mean, the color is so rich. There's still the most subtle bit of detail and texture to it. Absolutely stunning. This would bring a beautiful natural element to a space or even a piece of furniture because you can apply this to like drawers and dressers. You can use it as like shelf liners or like cabinetry. As far as application goes, this is a self-adhesive wallpaper. So there is just a real simple, almost wax paper-like backing here. And then when that's peeled off, it exposes that adhesive back. And it is quite tacky, so this would stick really well. You just want to make sure that your surface is smooth and clean before application. Measure and cut it as needed and smooth it out with like a scraping tool, and then maybe like with a soft cloth you can run over it for extra smoothing. But application would be super simple and easy with the right preparation. So if you were looking for a wonderful and very unique wallpaper, this is a great choice, and you could even use it on your furniture. So I would definitely give this a try.